We will learn about integration by transformation. We have already seen method of transformation. We have solved some questions regarding that. So integration of trigonometric function includes sine, cos, sec square, cosec square. These all things are there in the function. So how we can solve that one? Okay, so we have some standard formula, and based on this standard formula we can evaluate the problem, we can solve that. Okay, so let's here do it. First thing is that we have one question. Okay, so integration of trigonometric function I'm just going to do here. Okay, suppose we have one question, that is integration sec square x then divided by cosec square x into dx. These things are there. Okay, how can we solve this one? You can see there here sec square x and here cosec square x, right? So this will be difficult. If you're trying to find out any kind of formulas that could be applicable here, you will find no any kind of formula. But if we do some kind of transformation, means the sec square is related to your cos square x and the cosec square is related to your sin square x, so that time it will become some easier step. Somehow it will be easy. So sec square is going to convert it into cos square x, so I'm writing here cos square x, and then this cosec square x will be written as 1 by sin square x then dx. So here we have integration sin square x, and here we have cos square x into dx. Okay, so it will be just integration and then tan square x into dx. So we can do here tan square x into dx is there, so we will be having one formula, and by this formula we can solve this integration. So we don't have direct formula here, so this tan square is going to convert it into sec square x minus 1, sec square x minus 1, then here dx. Then we can easily get it. Now we can separate this one, so here integration sec square x into dx minus dx. So here we have integration sec square x will give you tan x, so here tan x minus here plus c and minus x plus c. So this is integration, the required solution of the given integration. Okay, and now we are going to have another one. Let's do it, revise. Sec square is converted into cosec square x, so sec square is equal to 1 by cosec square x, and cosec square x is 1 by sin square x. This will go up and this will come down, so we have here sin square x by cosec square x, so it will be tan square x, and then tan can be written in this format sec square x minus 1, and this will be just split it down, so sec square x into dx minus 1 into dx minus dx plus c. So this is what sec square integration is, tan x, and minus dx is sec x and then plus c. So this is there, and we are going to have another one. So I'm just okay, I'm giving you another question. Let's try. We have sine cube x integration sine cube x into dx. We know that sine x into dx, that will be minus cos x into dx. But here we have sine cube x. How we can approach this problem? So we know that one formula. This formula is that sine cube x. So sine 3x, we have 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x, 4 sine cube x. So we can calculate sine cube x from here. So it will be 4 sine cube x, that will be 3 sine x minus sine 3x. Okay, so I'm just going to use here sine cube x is equal to 3 sine x minus sine 3x and divided by 4 here. So I'm going to use this formula. Okay, yeah. Hi Aryan, how are you? Aryan Naidu, how are you? You are from? Goofy Chamber, hi everyone. We need to find the integration of sine cube x into dx. So I'm just going to use this formula there to solve the problem over here. Let's do it. So here I'm just putting this formula, integration 3 sine x minus sine 3x divided by 4 into dx. And now it's easy to get the integration over here. How? I'm just going to split down. First 1 by 4 will come out. So I'm putting 1 by 4 outside of this integration. And then I have 3 sine x minus sine cube, sine 3x, and here dx. Now it's easy to get the integration. Here I have 1 by 4 and then integration 3 sine x into dx negative integration okay, integration sine 3x into dx, then plus c. So here 1 by 4 we have, then 3 sine x is what? Minus cos x, then minus this will be cos 3x by 3, because 3 is the just coefficient of x, that's why here 3 is going to be divided here, and then plus c. So we have this. Okay, this is our solution, but before going to represent this one, we need to have one more calculation, and I need to do that here. Yeah, minus sign is there here, minus sign, this minus will be plus here. So we have negative 3 by 4 cos x. Hi everyone, if you have further any kind of doubt, you can just ask me, write to me in the comment. Yeah, so here minus and then plus, 1 by 12, 3 into 4, 12, and then cos 3x plus c. And this is our solution of that integration. That is integration sine cube x into dx will give you minus 3 by 4 cos x plus 1 by 12 cos 3x plus c. This is the solution of the sine cube x dx integration. Okay, we'll have one more calculation. Let's do it here. Okay, question is cos to the power 4 x integration cos to the power 4 x into dx. Cos to the power 4 x into dx we need to find. Okay, it is not cos x, it is what? Cos to the power 4x. So we need to first convert it into a standard formula. We know that the cos square, we know that this formula cos square x is what? 1 plus cos 2x, 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So this is cos square x. I need to get cos to the power 4, so I need to square on both sides. Let's do it. We'll put that, and once we got that one in the fundamental formula, then we can do our calculation to get the integration. Yeah, cos 3x over 3 ligma production. Yeah, let's do it here. I'm just putting here a square. So here cos square x, and then I'm putting here a square. If I put it a square, so I need to also put here a square, cos 2x by 2, and then square over here. So this will be cos, and then 2 and 2 will multiply together, cos to the power 4. Cos power 4x is equal to here, that is 2 square is 4, 1 upon 4. I'm putting outside, 1 square is 1, and then this is what? 2 times of cos 2x, and cos square 2x. We have this. Okay, so now this cos square 2x you are getting here, so that should be further calculated based on this. Here x is there, single x is there, then 2 times of x. So here we have 2 times of x, so I need to put that 4 times of x. Okay, let's do here 1 by 4, and then I have here 1, and then 2 cos 2x is what? I'm writing same thing. Cos 2x, it is somehow fundamental, and then cos square 2x. So here square 2x will be there. So here 1 is same, 2 is same, only 2 times. So it is just it is just double of this. So if it is here 2, so I need to put here 4. So 1 plus 4 cos x and divided by 2 over here. So it will be, okay, on the last I can write easily. Okay, 1 by 4, then okay 1 plus 1 plus 2 cos 2x plus, it is what? 1 by 2 plus cos 4x by 2, 1 by 2. I can split this one, cos 4x and by 2 I have. Okay, on the last I can just multiply all together. Okay, or either I can get the LCM and then I can put all. So here 1 by 4, then 2 to LCM is 2, so it will come here. Okay, or either 1 plus 1 by 2 will be 3 by 2, so it will be 3 by 2 plus 2 cos 2x, 2 cos, we have 2x, then we have cos 1 by 2 cos 4x, and On the last I can easily multiply all, and we got 3 for 3 terms. So here 3, 4 into 2 is coming here 8, then 2 by 2 cancel, so 1 upon 2 cos 2x, and then this is what 4 into 2 is coming 1 by 8, and then cos 4x. Now it is easier to get the integration of this all. It was complicated format, complex format, because it is what product of 4 times itself, and here we have a single one, we can get it easily. So integration of this one as compared to this one, so this one is what simpler integration as compared to this. So I'm just going to do integration of this one instead of this. So this will be transformed into this, and then we can do the integration. Let's do here. Here we have integration. Instead of this cos to the power 4x, I am putting here 3 by 8 plus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus 1 by 8 cos 4x, then we have dx. Then we can easily split out all. 3 by 8 dx plus 1 by 2 integration cos 2x into dx plus 1 by 8 integration cos 4x, and then dx. So 3 by 8 here x, and 1 by 2, and this cos 2x will give you sin 2x by 2. So here integration of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2 plus 1 by 8 integration of cos 4x is what, similarly in this way, sin 4x by 4 plus c. Yeah, so we have 3 by 8x plus 1 by 4 sin 2x plus, here we have 8 into 4 is what, 32, and then sin 4x plus c. So this is what solution of this one, cos to the power 4x dx is. Here we have 3 by 8 x plus 1 by 4 sin 2x plus 1 by 32 sin 4x plus c, and this is the solution of this problem. Okay, so we can easily calculate this one. Okay, on the last we have 3 by 8 x plus 1 by 4 sin 2x plus 1 by 32 cos sin 4x plus c. If you like this solution, please hit the like button. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Okay, now we are going to have one more question. Let's do it. We have one question, that is integration. We have this BIF1 integration 1 plus cos x into dx. This dx is just out of this one, this integration, yeah, dx. So we are just going to calculate this one. Okay, once again I'm writing here integration 1 plus cos x into dx. So this could be solved in this way, that is cos x can be written in this way. We know that cos x is what? Cos x is 1 minus 2 cos square. I'm writing here 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. I need to get this one 1 plus cos 2x. That can be put it over here. I'm putting this concept here, root under 1 plus same, and then cos x can be right here 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. This minus 1 and plus 1 will cancel, so we have here root under dx will be as it is. Yeah, so 2 cos square x by 2, then dx. This root will come outside, so I am putting root 2 outside, and this will be cos x by 2 dx. Now it's easy to get the integration. Okay, so this will be root 2, and cos x is giving us sine x by 2. Here coefficient is 1 by 2. Coefficient of x is 1 by 2, so I am just dividing it by 1 by 2. Then plus c, so 2 will go up, and we have 2 root 2. 2 root 2 we have here, and then sine x by 2 plus c. So this is the solution of this one, integration 1 plus cos x into dx. Okay, you have any doubt regarding it? No? Yes. So can you solve one problem I'm giving you? Integration root under 1 plus sine theta, then d theta. Can you solve this? Hello everyone. Aryan Naidu, are you there? Hello. So let solve here 1 plus sine x. So sine can be write as cos pi by 2 minus theta. So sine theta can be replaced by cos pi by 2 minus theta, because it is what combination of 1 plus 1 plus sine theta is there. So I need to write this, I need to write in the form of cos theta inside the root. That's why I need to put cos in the term of sine in the term of cos pi by 2 minus theta. Let's solve here. Here I have this one sine theta. I can write this sine theta in this format, cos pi by 2 minus theta. Pi by 2 minus theta. Why? It is what? Positive, so it will be positive. It is in the first quadrant, it is in the first quadrant, that's why. Okay, we know that one thing. Okay, all sugar to coffee, all sugar to coffee. So here sign is positive, and this is what? Pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, inside this pi by 2, from 0 to pi by 2, everything is here. So I need to put here, instead of theta, pi by 2 minus theta, so that nothing will be changed over here. And now I can easily write this one as root under 1 plus cos, then pi by 2 minus theta, and then d theta. So here now same, everything is same as this one we have done here. Instead of this x, we have theta now, pi by 2 minus theta now. So we can do that. Okay, like I can have this one as integration 1 plus, this will be 2 cos square. Okay, 2 cos square pi by 2 minus theta divided by 2, divided by, inside this, divided by 2, and okay, minus 1. This minus 1 and this 1 cancel, so we have integration root under 2 cos square, then pi by 4 minus theta by 2, and then d theta. Any problem? Pi by 4 minus theta by 2 into d theta, square root we have, so root under 2 will come out, and then a square root will cancel the square, and we have this value. So we have root 2, the cos, integration cos pi by 4 minus theta by 2 into d theta. So this will give us, this will be easier to find out. Okay, this integration, this cos will give you sine, and pi by 4 minus theta by 2, and here you are seeing that variable is theta, its coefficient is minus 1 by 2. So we can say that 2 sine pi by 4 minus theta by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus c. This is what your result, this 2 will come up, and that will be 2 root 2. So here we have 2 root 2, negative 2 root 2, negative 2 root 2, and then we have here sine, then pi by 4 minus theta by 2 plus c. So this minus will go inside, so we'll be having 2 root 2 sine, then theta by 2 minus pi by 4 plus c. And this is the solution of this problem. If you have any kind of doubt, you can just ask me. Okay, why I have written this one, pi by 2 minus, okay, pi theta by 2 minus pi by 4, how it will be possible here? Because we know that sine, sine minus theta is what? Minus sine theta. So this concept I have used here to get the result. This minus will go inside, multiply with pi by 4 minus theta by 2, so it will be just changed here. The same thing I have done, this minus sign will go inside this theta, so sine minus theta is coming here. So up to 9 we have done here. Okay, and okay, it's very pleasant moment to you, with you. If you have got any kind of value, if you have got any kind of understanding with this overall practice, so that will be very appreciable. Okay, and if you have further any kind of doubt, any question regarding it, you can just write to me in the comment box. And we have done various question today based on the transformation, okay, of trigonometric functions. And you have already seen that how I just transform from a complex trigonometric form to simpler trigonometric functions. And okay, we have a more problem regarding it, so we will do this one in the next session. Okay, and it's now to leave it. So thank you so much for being with me. Thank you. Stay safe, be happy. Good night. Bye bye. See you in the next video.